Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I'm sharing with you a recipe I found online. It's a ravioli, pesto, spinach, and tomato dish, and it's really easy, simple to make, just a few ingredients, and it's pretty healthy. And the first thing you need is 2 8-ounce packages of frozen cheese ravioli. I'm using, it's a 20-ounce bag that I have, so I'm just going to cook this according to the package directions, and I will just use this bag for it. I don't think it's going to make too much of a difference whether it's 16 or 20 ounces, but I will just add it as I go. Also, you will need some spinach, and you want baby spinach, so about a 5-ounce package of that, and that's what I'm using here. Some pesto, and I'm using the Classico, and you need about a 1/3 cup of that. And you also need 1 pint of grape tomatoes. And as I said, very simple ingredients and a pretty healthy meal. So cook the ravioli according to the package directions, and you really want to cook this right before you're going to need it. I cooked it ahead of time, so it kind of dried out just a little bit, but best to cook it right before you're going to add it in. But take a tablespoon of olive oil, and then you will just cook your grape tomatoes until they kind of bust open. That takes about 3 to 4 minutes. So they'll kind of burst open a little bit. Now once you start to see them where they explode a little bit, then add the spinach, and you want to cook the spinach down until it wilts. So that will just take a few minutes. Spinach, like I said, it doesn't take very long at all for spinach to cook down. And as you can see, it starts to cook down pretty much to nothing. But you can see mine dried out just a little bit. I really wish I would have did it a little closer to the time I was going to put it in, because it kind of sticks together a little bit. But just toss in your ravioli, and you just want to mix it in as much as you can without breaking it up. And then you will add the pesto. And then just stir everything to incorporate it. And this would make a great summer dish also, because it's not too hot. It's kind of it's not really a heavy meal either. So once you get everything fully mixed in, that is it. And you can salt and pepper this if you want, which we did because I felt it needed some seasoning to it. So just some salt and pepper. If there's any other type of seasoning that you would like to add to it, you can. I feel like it, without adding the salt and pepper, it can be a little bland. But it is a healthy meal, very light, great for a weeknight meal when you want to just have something really quick to put together. And if you like ravioli and pesto and spinach and tomatoes, I think you would enjoy this. Really, like I said, great quick meal to make. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day, a great week ahead. God bless y'all.